Hello everyone, welcome to Michelle Fashion Academy. In this video, I'll be sharing how to draft a basic sleeve. Let's get started. Measure your cap height. The cap height that I'm working with is 3 inches. So your cap height is your chest measurement divided by 12 plus 0.5. For example, if your chest measurement is 40 inches divided by 12 is approximately 3.3. 3.3 plus 0.5 inch, that is 3.8. So your cap height would be 3.8. So the cap height I'm working with is 3 inches, but I'm marking on 3.5 inches. The half inch will be for seam allowance. The armhole measurements that I'm working with is 7 inches. This is how to get your armhole length. Measure from the shoulder slant to the ends of the armhole like this. Wherever you get is your armhole length. If you added ease allowance to the chest measurements, make sure you add it back to the armhole length to avoid having shortage. Draw a straight line like this. Find the midpoint. And go up by half an inch. From that half an inch, draw a straight line to the ends of the armhole length like this. Make a curve like this. From the midpoint, make another curve below the straight line to the end of the armhole like this. And then you make another curve like this. There should be half an inch in between. The length of the sleeve is 8.5 inches. I'm adding sewing allowance, which is 1 inch. The round sleeve is 5.5 inches plus half an inch sewing allowance. Let's cut it. We'll cut out the back first. Fold a sewing allowance like this and then you cut. This is what it will look like after cutting. I'll open it up and cut the front. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Leave your comments in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!